Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Thunderbolt dock to MacBook Pro for storage access, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all required equipment. Ensure your Thunderbolt dock is compatible with your MacBook Pro. Unbox the Thunderbolt dock and lay it on a flat surface. Connect the power adapter to the dock if it requires external power. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. Locate the Thunderbolt ports on your MacBook Pro. Take the Thunderbolt cable and connect one end to the dock. Connect the other end of the Thunderbolt cable to your MacBook Pro. Turn on the dock if it has a power switch. Wait for your MacBook Pro to recognize the dock. Open Finder to check for connected devices. Look for the storage options available on the dock in the sidebar. You may need to format any new drives for macOS. To format a drive, open Disk Utility from Applications. Select the drive you wish to format in Disk Utility. Click on the Erase button at the top of the window. Choose the format that suits your needs, like exFAT or APFS. Follow the prompts to complete the formatting process. Once formatted, the drive will be accessible through Finder. You can now transfer files to and from the dock's storage. To safely eject a drive, right-click on it in Finder. Select Eject from the context menu. Once the drive disappears from Finder, it is safe to disconnect. Ensure to regularly back up your data stored on the dock. If you want to connect multiple devices, repeat the connection process for each one. Your Thunderbolt dock is now fully connected for storage access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.